Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use heated seats on the MK6 Golf. It's the same method on the MK7, I guess. But this method is for if you have it like this, and if you have the other style where it's a dual climate zone, you'll have the button up here instead, which is okay. I'll show you it now. You're going to switch on the car, put it in electric mode. Okay. Switch these off. Okay. So mine start 3, so that's the hottest set. You just click it and the right sides come on, so it's corresponding to whatever side it is. Left is left side. Okay, so we've got 3 heated seats, 2 setting, which is a bit lower, and that's the lowest setting, and that's pretty much how you use it. I've also, with the OBD11, I've coded in, so if I do switch it off at, say it's winter, it forgets your settings, whereas if I just switch it back on, it come with this back on still, which is good. So I've coded that in with OBD. But yeah, that's how you use heated seats. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.